Hi everyone, I'm Damien from Grafico and welcome again to Wall Week. This time on Wall Week, a very special transformation of the Melbourne Central bathrooms using our custom print Italian mosaic tiles, Mosaico Digitale. Using a very funky rabbit pop art design by the talented team at I2C Architects, the final artwork was prepared and sent to our factory in Puglia, Italy, where we printed the design to our super lightweight bio-resin mosaic tiles. They were then fast air freighted in less than 6 weeks turnaround time to Melbourne for installation by the tilers. As you can see, the final results speak for themselves. The custom printed tiles are beautifully complemented with stunning terrazzo bench tops and black tapware, making this without a doubt the most vibrant and out there bathroom we've ever seen. If you'd like to see these amazing bathrooms for yourself, head down the rabbit hole to level 3 at Melbourne Central Shopping Centre. If you'd like some further information, contact our team and we'll get your project started.